I'm going to show you how to use our dashboard to navigate various environmental assessment tools for agri-food systems and help you choose the right tool for your context. For example, I manage a sustainable livestock development project and I need to understand my emissions and environmental impact. Let's start with the scale. Holding down the Command or Control key, we can select multiple criteria. We will select Farm, Field, and Project to get a list of tools that are tailored for assessments at this level. Now, what's my subject? I'll click on the livestock icon. If I want tools to cover multiple types of livestock, this will generate a list of several tools with different specialties. I can also narrow it down to a particular type of livestock, for example, ruminants or chickens. Then, I might want to filter further. For example, I want to measure greenhouse gas emissions that my project produces. I'll select GHG emissions. This will list all tools that can be used to assess on-farm GHG emissions. As well as determining the emissions my project produces, I might want to estimate how I could potentially reduce emissions within the project. I'm going to select a different keyword, GHG mitigation potential. This suggests the Shamba tool. If we read the description, we will see that this tool focuses on understanding mitigation potential from different land uses. I can use this information to decide if that is the tool I need. To use any of these tools, you're going to need access to farm production data. To access the tool, just click the link.